pero las llamamos. Sí. Ya empezamos, ¿no?
Hola, muy buenas tardes a todos.
Estamos tomando unos minutos de este congreso para realizar la premiación de uno de los...
We will do the award granting of one of the contests in the third edition, together with the Court of Justice of the Andean Community and AINDA. It is our pleasure today having the participation of the winning team. So they were invited, and they are also participating in our Congress as students and sharing as well this academic sessions, and we feel so proud. And our president even more, because that is the winning team of this opportunity. This is a Mexican team. So first of all, before calling them and introducing them to you all and giving them a hand of applause for all their preparation they had in this contest, I will leave Enrique in the representation of our association to address them some words. Well, first of all, I want to thank each and every one of the persons participating in the preparation of this contest. As mentioned by Julie, this is the third edition, and this is one of the most important contests in the association because we are creating the future and the professionals of intellectual property. We had big participation. As Julie said, it was by coincidence. They always blame me that it is my fault because I am Mexican, but no, I am twice as proud because of the participation and because the Mexican team won. It was Tec de Monterrey, and even yesterday they were with us in something that is totally unknown until today, but I will give you additional data so that you tell that this was on purpose. On my behalf and on behalf of the association, I want to congratulate the coach, the team. The four members without the coach are presented with me, but now he was included. I want to congratulate you for your preparation, your performance, and putting so high the name of your institution and the country. Congratulations, and we will be calling them to come to the front, but I want to offer them a big hand of applause from you all. And obviously, now I will give the floor to my dear friend Hugo. Good afternoon, everybody. Indeed, we are so happy about this award granting to the winning team on this third edition. ASIPI and the Court of Justice of the Andean Community decided to start this academic project 3 years ago to promote among students in Latin America more study and debate on intellectual property subjects. The Court of Justice in the Andean community, as you all know, in addition to the role of solving controversies among the countries, guides administrative authorities in the matter of intellectual property and right of author, copyright, and more than 90% of jurisprudence in the court is about intellectual property. We're talking about more than 1,500 extrajudicial cases, and this was exciting in the final of this championship, where we can appreciate how Venezuelan and Mexican students facing in this final would quote frequently not only subjects on intellectual property but jurisprudence in the court, in a way that in front of the questions from the judges, they would answer with judicial interpretations in the Andean community. However, they were students from different countries in this process of integration. The performance of the winning team was excellent, and one of the traits they had, and that is a preparation for the future audience in oral trials, is being before adverse, difficult, complex situations, because many times when the lawyers go to a court, they have a script prepared, but what they don't know is what the judges will ask them, and many times the judges put them in a different context, and the students were submitted to this as well, in addition to the fact of presenting their proposals and their positions as the demanding party. They were submitted to the judges' questions, and sometimes they are taken out from a different scenario, and they knew how to answer to them. So very thankful to Enrique and ASIPI from the Court of Justice in the Andean community. We are so happy, and we hope that in the coming years this grows more and more teams and more countries join this important academic event. Thank you very much. A special mention to Julie Gutierrez, our representative in this contest, especially in the organization in the back office for the correction of initial work and papers, to do the coordination of the answer to questions and advice from participants, and to reassess some work as well. There's a huge preparation of the case as well. So there is a big effort, and Julie is the person who supports and helps with that. And honestly, she has made a very relevant job. I participated in the final with Enrique, in representation of Enrique, but both teams were amazing. They won by a little difference. The Mexican girls won, but it was very homogeneous, and I was surprised first the way they presented the subjects in a totally natural way, without any hesitation, and in that way. And in addition, in the legislation, but certainly the results is that they had to become familiar from the participation here. And I'm certain that they will become professionals, and I congratulate them. So we will call the girls from the Tec de Monterrey, Maria Fernanda Gonzalez. Please join the agenda. Maria Fernanda Gonzalez, Sandra Beliz, Clara, Daphne Lopez Cuenca, Stephanie Sala de Trejo, and the coach Martin Alberto Flores. Please join us. Congratulations. Well, lots of thanks for this acknowledgement from ASIPI and the organization of AINDA and the court. It was a highly enriching experience. Honestly, it was quite a challenge to face totally different jurisdiction. We were able to see subjects related with arbitration, the Senati, that of course we did not know, and even we had the chance to answer to trade and civil lawsuits during the participation in this moot court. And thanks a lot as well to our coaches. One of them appears in the picture. He couldn't be with us, but the other is here. So the truth is that without them, this wouldn't be possible. There were some other lawyers that gave their time to us to solve some questions, like Licenciado Martín Michados, whom we thank a lot for the time he gave us to solve certain doubts about not only the right of the Andean community, but law in general, because at the end we continue to be students. And well, this was like a first approach that made our passion for intellectual property, in particular for the trademarks, to be empowered. So thanks a lot to everybody, and of course the judges, because without you this wouldn't be possible, literally. And well, thanks a lot. We hope that, of course, that more teams continue to participate, not only Mexican, but from all the region, given that this is an exercise that makes that the connection of young people and intellectual property to become closer and broader, because we have the opportunity to see different jurisdictions. Thanks a lot. I want to also use the opportunity to thank the organizing committee of ASIPI for the work they made. Thank you very much. And Maria Camila and everybody, thank you very much for the time you devoted to the organization, the review of cases, and making this a success. Thanks a lot.
Le pido un minuto más para mencionar a...
Now to mention the winners of Metropolitan University from Venezuela, Caracas, who made a wonderful job. We want to acknowledge them and offer them a distinction. We have the coach. Please join us, and the guys are Rubén Darío Calderón, Lilia Baracho Yáñez, and Pablo Lucía Alfaro. We will give them the runner-up award. Congratulations. Hello, afternoon. Thank you very much on behalf of the Metropolitan University and Venezuela for this distinction to us. It was an actual experience because my country has 10 years out of the Andean community, and every one of us dreams to go back. And the young people with me gave everything during the competition. I congratulate the Mexican team, who was a first great adversary, as well as other teams. Congratulations to ASIPI, AINCA, and the Court of Justice of the Andean community for this extraordinary opportunity given to us. And I hope that this competition continues, because in my view, it is one of the most beautiful ways we have to promote intellectual property among our young people in Latin America. Thank you very much.